Hi everybody, I'm Riaan. Today we will be showcasing our HP brake caliper paint. We've got it available in your red, yellow and in your blue. This caliper paint is heat resistant up to 150 degrees. It's also resistant to rust, cracks, tire acids and also brake fluid. Always remember, when painting your brake calipers, make sure that there's no brake dust, rust or any oil before painting your calipers. And that's our process, how to paint your brake calipers with HP caliper paint. If you need any more information on any of the products that we've used, please visit our website or leave a comment in the section below. See you next time.